Tristan Ritchie from Lake City Realty, and I'm standing here on my new listing. If you've ever heard of the definition of a turnkey property, well, this is one of them. Newer roof, newer windows, new heat pump, and a new gas fireplace to help you enjoy this house and not have to worry about a thing. Book your private showing as soon as possible. You do not want to miss out. Not every day that you see a house in the middle of the city with no backyard neighbors. Well, this is one of them. You got trails back there and a lot of privacy for your own private paradise.